White color sea larvae. And shiny is unmatured honey. These are workers. Okay. There is no drone, no queen in this frame. So pin this. This is pollen basket. Yellow color है? आराम से, ठीक है, this side. This is drone cell. Someone raised them. This is worker cell, and this is drone cell. Okay. All these are workers. There is no queen in this frame and no drone. Okay. All these are brood. They're packing brood. But follow. I put it here. The queen is larger size. There is. And this is drone cell.
Drone cell. अच्छा, okay.
This is जो flat है. This is flat.
Okay.
Worker cell.
Drone cell. Okay.
This is queen.
Queen kitty. അത് പ്രൈവസി സ്ക്രീൻ ആണ്.
Don't touch it. Okay. This is queen. Okay.
ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്താ വന്ന് ഇതല്ലേ ക്വീൻ?
Longer than.
അടച്ചു വെക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വേറെ